Hi guys, it's me again, Cherry, and for today's video, I will gonna show you the process of making a salted egg using the method of salted water. So, let's go guys! So, the first thing to do is to prepare the materials needed in making salted egg using the salted water method.
So we need 10 pieces of egg, 1 cup of salt, and 8 cups of water. Put the casserole on the gas stove and pour the water. Turn on the gas stove and wait till the water to boil. While waiting for the waters to boil, let's wash the eggs first. Wash it one by one and make sure to wash it properly. And now that the water is already boiling, let's pour the salt on it. Dissolve the salt into the boiling water. The salt is already dissolved into the boiling water, so let the salted water cool down. Eggs on the container. After you put all the eggs on the container, pour the salted water on it. Takpan ang container. Set aside for 2 weeks. And now our salted egg is ready for cooking. And before we proceed on cooking, of course, we need to get first the egg from the container. Again, pick it one by one and put it in a clean container. And then wash it one by one. let's put all the eggs on the casserole. And now, let's pour water on the casserole. And after that, let's put the casserole on the gas stove. Turn on the gas stove and set the fire into medium fire. And cook the salted egg for 15 minutes. And now the water is boiling, so set the fire into the low fire to avoid the egg being cracked. It's already 15 minutes, so the salted eggs is already cooked. Turn off the gas stove and let the eggs cool down. And after that, pick the eggs one by one and put it on the container.